Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations, where we explore the intricate tapestry of numerology to unveil the mysteries of the soul's journey. Today, we embark on a fascinating voyage into the realm of life path number 2. Life path numbers, the essence of our being, serve as guiding lights illuminating our paths in this earthly realm. Each number carries its own distinct vibrations and significance, offering profound insights into our personalities, relationships, and destinies. Today, our focus is on the gentle yet profoundly influential life path number 2. As we delve into its depths, we'll uncover the unique qualities and remarkable journey of those whose souls resonate with this harmonious vibration. Join me as we unravel the secrets and embrace the beauty of life path number 2. Let's embark on this enriching journey together, filled with discovery, enlightenment, and infinite possibilities. So, let's get to know life path number 2 a bit better. Picture this. Life path number 2 is like the quiet, yet incredibly influential, figure in the background of a bustling party. It's not the loudest voice in the room, but when it speaks, people listen. This number embodies the essence of cooperation, diplomacy, and sensitivity. Now, to understand your life path number, you simply add up the digits of your birth date until you get a single digit. Let's say your birthday is April 15, 1989. You'd add 4 April plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9, which equals 37. Then you'd further reduce it to a single digit. 3 plus 7 equals 10, and once more. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So in this case, the life path number would be 1. Now, life path number 2 folks are all about harmony and balance. They're the peacemakers, the ones who can soothe tensions with just a few words. Their presence is calming, like a gentle breeze on a warm summer day. But don't mistake their gentle nature for weakness. Oh no, these individuals have an inner strength that's as solid as a mountain, quietly resilient in the face of challenges. Life path 2 individuals often find themselves drawn to careers or roles that involve collaboration and partnership. They thrive in environments where they can work closely with others, pooling their resources and talents to achieve common goals. Think counselors, mediators, diplomats, or even artists collaborating on a masterpiece together. But it's not always smooth sailing for our life path 2 friends. They may struggle with indecision at times, torn between their desire to please others and their own needs and desires. They might find it challenging to assert themselves in situations where conflicts arise, preferring instead to keep the peace at any cost. Yet, despite these challenges, life path 2 individuals have a remarkable ability to see the beauty in every situation and the potential for growth and transformation. They're like the glue that holds relationships together, fostering deep connections and creating safe spaces for others to express themselves. Life for those with a life path number 2 often starts with a journey of self-discovery, much like a delicate flower unfurling its petals to the morning sun. In their early years, they might find themselves grappling with feelings of self-doubt and uncertainty, unsure of where they fit into the grand tapestry of life. It's not uncommon for them to struggle with asserting themselves and advocating for their own needs, preferring instead to keep the peace and avoid confrontation. But as they journey through life, they begin to realize the power of their innate gifts and the beauty of their unique perspective. They learn to embrace their sensitivity as a strength rather than a weakness, recognizing that their ability to empathize deeply with others is a gift to be cherished. Spiritual growth and transformation are often key themes in the lives of life path 2 individuals. They're drawn to paths of self-discovery and personal development, seeking to align themselves with their higher purpose and make a positive impact on the world around them. Through introspection and reflection, they learn to cultivate inner peace and find balance amidst life's ups and downs. Relationships play a central role in the journey of life path 2 individuals. They have a natural affinity for partnership and collaboration, seeking to build deep and meaningful connections with others. Whether in friendships, romantic relationships, or professional partnerships, they excel at fostering trust, understanding, and mutual respect. But it's not all smooth sailing. Life Path 2 individuals may encounter challenges in their relationships, particularly when it comes to setting boundaries and advocating for their own needs. They may find themselves sacrificing their own happiness for the sake of keeping the peace, only to realize that true harmony can only be achieved when all parties are honored and respected. Yet, through the highs and lows of their journey, Life Path 2 individuals emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. They learn to embrace the beauty of their own unique path, trusting in the wisdom of the universe and the power of love to guide them forward. Life Path Number 2 individuals possess a treasure trove of gifts that enrich not only their own lives, but also the lives of those around them. One of their greatest strengths lies in their ability to navigate the complexities of human relationships with grace, empathy, and compassion. Diplomacy is their superpower. They have a knack for finding common ground and resolving conflicts with tact and finesse. Like skilled negotiators, they can diffuse even the most tense situations, fostering understanding and cooperation among all parties involved. But it's not just about smoothing things over. Life Path 2 individuals also have a profound capacity for emotional intelligence. They're deeply attuned to the thoughts and feelings of others, able to offer comfort and support when needed most. Their empathy knows no bounds, and they have an innate ability to hold space for others in times of need. This emotional intelligence extends to their own inner world as well. Life Path 2 individuals are introspective by nature, constantly seeking to deepen their understanding of themselves and their place in the world. They're not afraid to explore the depths of their own emotions, knowing that true growth and transformation come from within. At the heart of it all lies a deep sense of compassion. Life Path 2 individuals have a genuine desire to make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. They're the ones who lend a listening ear, offer a shoulder to cry on, and extend a hand of friendship to those in need. But perhaps their greatest gift of all is their ability to see the beauty in every soul they encounter. They recognize that we're all interconnected, woven together by the threads of love and compassion. And in embracing this truth, they inspire others to do the same. Now, I know life hasn't always been a walk in the park for us, my friends. We've faced our fair share of challenges, moments of doubt, and times when it feels like the world just doesn't understand our gentle nature. But let me tell you something, that's all about to change starting right now. You see, being a Life Path 2 individual is not a weakness, it's a superpower. We possess a unique set of qualities that make us the unsung heroes of the world. Our ability to empathize deeply with others, to see the beauty in every soul, and to bring harmony to even the most chaotic situations is what sets us apart from the crowd. Sure, there are times when we may feel overwhelmed, when it seems like the weight of the world is resting on our shoulders. But let me remind you, my friends, that you are stronger than you think. You have a reservoir of inner strength, resilience, and determination just waiting to be unleashed. It's time to stop playing small and start owning our power. It's time to stand tall, speak our truth, and let our light shine brightly for all the world to see. No more hiding in the shadows, no more doubting ourselves. It's time to step into our greatness and embrace the fullness of who we are. So, the next time life throws you a curveball, remember this. You are a Life Path 2 warrior, and there's nothing you can't handle. You have the wisdom, the compassion, and the courage to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Believe in yourself, my friends, because the world needs your light now more than ever. Together, let's rise above our challenges, let's embrace our gifts, and let's create a world where kindness, empathy, and harmony reign supreme. The journey won't always be easy, but I guarantee you, it will be worth it. So go out there and show the world what it means to be a Life Path 2 powerhouse. You've got this, my friends. Now go out there and shine. We are a community of warriors, united by our shared experiences and our unwavering commitment to living our best lives. Together, we will lift each other up, support each other through the tough times, and celebrate each other's victories. If you're interested in delving deeper into numerology, manifestation, and personal and spiritual growth, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.